In this video, we will learn how to blur portion of an image. I have already added a picture in Photoshop and I'm going to blur this portion of image. To do that, first go to Marquee tool, select the portion of an image you want to blur. Let's say I want to blur this portion. Then press Shift F6 and select the radius 35. Then go to filter, go to blur and Gaussian blur. You can also play with other option. In this case, I will use Gaussian blur. Based on your requirement, you can move slider up and down. In this case, adjust is somewhere around 4.5. Okay. And then Control D to deselect the portion. And that's it. Now you can save your picture, do whatever you want to like. If you like the video, please subscribe, give a thumbs up. Thank you.